Good morning, grade 8. Yesterday we have seen fourth and fifth problem. Okay. Now today let us see sixth problem. So question number 6 is that some tickets of rupees 200 and some of 100 of a drama in a theatre were sold. Number of tickets of 200 sold was 20 more than number of tickets of rupees 100. In short, see, some tickets were of 100 rupees and some were of 200 rupees. So amount of tickets sold of 200 rupees, they were 20 more. Means, for example, if 10 tickets of 100 rupees were sold, then more than 10 by 20 is 30. So 30 tickets of 200 were sold. That is to say that 20 tickets of 200 rupees were sold more than 100 rupees tickets. I hope you are understanding. See now, let the number of rupees 100 tickets be x. Okay, the number of tickets of 200 rupees are more than 100 rupees by 20. So it becomes x plus 20. Is this clear? Okay, so it becomes x plus 20. Now, you know that amount due to rupees 100 tickets is number of tickets into rate of one ticket. Okay, for example, if 5 tickets of 100 rupees are sold, total amount will be 5 into 100, that is 500. So x number of tickets of 100 rupees are x. So total amount will be x into 100, that is 100x. Okay, now what we have written here, number of tickets of 200 rupees were 20 more than 100 rupees tickets. So it becomes x plus 20. These are the number of tickets of 200 rupees. So what will be the amount due to 200 rupees tickets? 200 into number of tickets. Number of tickets are x plus 20. Are you understanding this? Okay. So this amount will be 200 into x is 200x and 200 into 20 is 2 2s are 4 and 1 2 3 0. So that becomes 4000. Up till here is it clear? It is very simple. Again I am telling you, see for example, there are 2 tickets of 100 rupees. 100 रुपयाची 2 तिकीटं विकली गेली. Okay, and 200 rupees, for example 5 tickets are sold. Okay, 200 रुपयाची 5 तिकीटं विकली गेली. That means 200 rupees tickets are sold compared to 100 rupees by 3 more. Are you understanding me? Okay, so here similarly instead of 3, 2 and 5 I have taken smaller numbers for you to understand. They say that number of tickets of 200 sold was here 3 more than 100 rupees. In this case it was 20 more than 100 rupees. You got the concept? आता 100 रुपयाची 2 तिकीटं म्हणजे अमाऊंट किती झाली 100 into 2 that is 200. 100 रुपयाची x तिकीटं x. So amount will be x into 100 100x. 200 रुपयाची किती तिकीटं आहेत 20 plus x plus 20. So amount here, amount see 5 into 200, number of tickets into rate of one ticket. Rate of one ticket is 200. Number of tickets are x plus 20. So multiply this. So you get 200x plus 4000. So this is the amount due to 200 rupees ticket and this is the amount due to 100 rupees tickets. Is this clear? Now what will be the total amount? Total amount is 100 rupees amount due to 100 rupees ticket plus amount due to 200 rupees ticket. So add up all and this amount they have given 37,000. So 100x plus 200x is 300x and plus 4,000. 4,000 if shifted over it becomes negative. 37,000 minus 4,000 it will be 33,000. That will be equal to 300x. Up till here is it clear? We want to find out how many 100 rupees tickets are sold. 100 rupees tickets are how much? X. Alright, so we have to find the value of x. So let us find it out. So up till here you have understood. Now see, we have 33,000 is equal to, you have 300x. I have to find the value of x. Between 300 and x there is multiplication. If I shift it will become division. So it is 33,000 divided by 300. Okay. So you have 2 zeros gone, 2 zeros gone. 3 ones are and 3 11s are 33 and this 0 is over here. So there were, what is the question asked? Find the number of rupees 100 tickets sold. So how many tickets of 100 rupees? 110 tickets of rupees 100 were sold. 100 रुपये किंमत असणारी 110 तिकीटं विकली गेली. Are you understanding me? Okay. So 110 tickets of rupees 100 were sold. I hope the concept is clear. Okay. Let's go to the next problem now, students. Now see 7th question. Of the 3 consecutive natural numbers, consecutive means which are coming one after the other, alright. So first number is x, second will be x plus 1, third will be x plus 2. This we have seen yesterday only, alright. So x plus 1 and x plus 2, these are the 3 consecutive natural numbers. Part yenare numbers. Okay. Now what is the condition you see? 5 times the smallest number is 5 times the smallest number. Smallest is x, 5 times will be 5x. This is 5 times the smallest number. That is equal to 9 more than 4 times the greatest number. Greatest number is x plus 2, x plus 2. 4 times greatest number is 4 into x plus 2 and 9 more, that means plus 9. Are you understanding me? Okay. So these two are equal. 5 times the smallest number is equal to 9 more than 4 times the greatest number. We have to equalize these two. So what equation we got? 4 into x plus 2 plus 9 is equal to 5x. Now let us solve this. Bracket we are multiplying by 4. So 4 we have to multiply first by x and then by 2. 4 into x is 4x plus 4 2s are 8 plus 9 is equal to 5x. Alright. So 4x plus 9 plus 8, 17 is equal to 5x. Now let me take 4x there, so it will become minus. So 17 will be equal to 5x minus 4x. Is this clear? Okay. So 5x minus 4x is how much? 1x. So you got the first number. What is it? 17. 17 is the first number. Now what will be the second number? X plus 1. 17 plus 1 will be 18 and third will be x plus 2, that is 17 plus 2 will be 19. So what are the numbers? So the numbers are, answer you have to write, numbers are x which is equal to 17, then x plus 1 which is 17 plus 1 which is equal to 18 and third number is x plus 2. So you have x plus 2 which is equal to 17 plus 2 which is equal to 9. So numbers are 17, 18 and 19. Is this clear, students? Alright. So 2 problems we have done, that is more than enough. So that's all from my side for today. Please regularly do the problems and copy it down in your notebook. Thank you.